me say a few things.
Judge Stephen Braslow addressing a packed Suffolk County courtroom, but in particular, ex-New York City firefighter Joseph Norris of Babylon, who the judge is about to sentence to prison for the wrong-way DWI crash that killed school teacher Anthony Mariano.
You have an honorable profession. You were a firefighter. You gave your life to help people, to save people. But yet, it appears that all your actions were involving alcohol and parties and going out.
Norris, his hands shaking through some of the court session in which the victim's family members spoke of the horror of learning on the evening of November 20th, 2020, that Mariano died when Norris drove the wrong way on the Sunken Meadow Parkway with almost 3 times the legal alcohol limit in his system. Mariano's mother telling the defendant, "You literally broke my heart." The victim's fiance saying her wedding dress still hangs in the closet.
For you to be going the wrong way for 3.5 miles or 4 miles, and people trying to stop you, State Trooper almost got to you. They almost got to you before you killed this gentle soul.
The judge telling Norris he's been grieving along with the Mariano family since he first got the case 2.5 years ago.
I have empathy and sympathy for your family. Not much for you, Mr. Norris. I'm sorry to tell you.
And just before handing down the sentence, Judge Braslow delivered some pointed advice to Joseph Norris.
You need to do some things in your life to make amends for this. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you really need to search your soul.
The judge sentencing Norris to between 5 and 15 years for aggravated vehicular homicide and manslaughter, explaining a plea deal was reached in order to spare the victim's family the trauma of a trial.
Obviously, I would have liked the max, 8 to 25, but this is fine. He's point across, and yes, I think Anthony would be proud of his family and the way that everyone spoke of him today.
Joseph Norris spoke briefly in court, saying at least twice, "Forgive me," and adding, "If I could trade places with Anthony Mariano, I would." Mariano's father got up at that point and left the courtroom, saying, "I can't listen to this." Steve Langford for Newsday TV.